My wife and I are touring around the United States at the moment, looking at some of the top gardens in America. We have found that gardens bring life, they restore. I have found that there's something about walking through a garden with my wife that speaks deep into my soul. And so we're looking at some of the top gardens in the nation. We are hoping to someday be able to travel around to gardens of the world and bring them to you as well. So we just want to invite you to steal away with us and let the beauty of creation speak into your soul as you visit some of these gardens with us. Hello. All right, got two of them there.
All right. And
there we go. Thank you. Look how big they are. We need perspective of how big they are. We'll get perspective of how big those things are. Jeez. They're huge. How big are they? We're sitting here and having lunch. I just want to report that I think this is like it's the perfect temperature out. And even though it's raining earlier, it's made for a really beautiful day and the colors are really nice. And we're just sitting here, had lunch with this view behind us. Well, the view's in front of us, but you know. Anyway, yeah, it's just really, really pretty. And the geese and ducks are enjoying themselves down here too. So much to look at. The colors over there are just really, really pretty. I doubt that the camera shows how nice it is, but well guys, now it is really raining pretty good and hard. You can see it maybe if I look out that way. Okay, gentlemen, I need to talk to you for just a moment about if you're not one who likes to go through gardens, because I am not one who likes gardening, but I have found this to be one of the more relaxing and enjoyable things to do, is to go through somebody else's hard work. And you know what? I really enjoy going through with my wife because she loves it and she knows what everything is, so she can tell me all about stuff. And yep, anyway, it's beautiful, and it is actually really relaxing to just walk through slow, take your time, stop on a bench here and there, just sit, relax, look, watch, breathe in, smell. Yeah. My deep thoughts for the day. Oh, that was a huge fish that just came up out of there. Wow. I wonder if more will come up. Oh yeah. See? Must be huge koi. Yeah, look at those koi. Wow. Holy smokes, they're huge. Ashley, you would love today. This is like your kind of day. How awesome is this? There's like nobody else here. Hardly. There are a few people. Best day to come to the Missouri Botanical Garden. We keep on to say Arboretum, but the Botanical Garden. Best day ever. Right there.
If I get a cup of tea?
We'll get a cup of tea. She needs a cup of tea. We'll go back to the London tea room and try some more tea flavors. There were some interesting ones, like the Winston Churchill cigar smoke tea.
Well, it reminded one of cigars.
It's actually made out of Winston Churchill's used cigars. Maybe not. Actually, it's not too bad. It's like 75 degrees. It's getting a little breezy. A little bit damp, but it's all good. You should say something funny.
I was going to say, cut away to us the next day having a cold.
Yeah, that's funny.
Residence for the groundskeeper. Wow.
Well, I'd keep these grounds.
Would you? You've got a pretty house, and you can keep our grounds.
I do have a pretty house.
careful. You have this.
Well,
on
we better
video.
keep walking. Here's what Marnie does to me. She goes like this with her umbrella under and she dumps all over me.
Climbing rose on the wall. You're in my way. Turk's cap, it still says. So it's an orange Turk's cap. Goodbye, Botanical Garden.
Goodbye, Botanical Garden. We've enjoyed you, you wet piece of dirt, you.
Time to get some tea. Blue jasmine.
Blue jasmine and it's blue tea. Okay, so I don't know if it's just because I've been walking around in the rain and I'm really hungry, but it's really, really good. Really good. Really, really good. I say it was good. We have finished our tea. Now Marnie needs to order a bunch of tea leaves to bring home with her. And we had brought a menu with us, and she had socks and everything too. Our bags got a little bit wet, so the menu's a little bit soaked. So she's figuring out what to bring. And then we just got one more stop tonight, and I think we're going to probably go to a Peruvian restaurant and have some ceviche. So, yeah, we'll go there next. Well, first we're going to go home and change our socks because they're wet.
Welcome to Mango. Have you guys ever dined with us before?
No, we have not. We've got.
For a treat, you're Steve.
Yeah, I'm Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
We're traveling for 3 weeks.
Are you?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
I love being on the road.
Ceviche is awesome, so I am a fan of ceviche. If you don't know what ceviche is, we've got onion, we've got raw halibut, but it's cooked really in like citrus juice, okay? There's sweet potato, there's a Peruvian corn, and shrimp. What else is in there?
Octopus and clams.
Octopus, clams, mussels. Okay. All right, good stuff. All right, so we're gonna call the day 2 a win. It was a great day, but we're done. So we're pretty much doing this for family and friends. So if anybody's out there watching this who has no idea who we are, hey, surprised you found us. But anyway, good night. See y'all. I'm gonna do pictures.